Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. Today I am doing a Christmas craft. I got this cute little wall plaque from Dollar Tree, and these I got from Walmart last year on clearance at the end of Christmas, which I absolutely just love these. This one I already popped off the stick, so I'm going to be using these on my plaque or on my sign here. I'm hoping they have these again this year because I really like these. So what I did was, to get that off of there, this is like soldered or whatever on there, so it's not going to come off easy. So I held this down and then I just kind of kept bending the stick until it broke. So I'm going to get the stick off of these two, or the wire off of these two, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this all together. Okay, so I got all of those off. They're pretty easy to get off of there. And then this, as you can see, for one, is not centered at all. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the backs of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this off of here, and then I'm going to have to get these staples out of the little sign. I have a little... Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, so I'm going to get these cleaned up. Get this out off of here. This actually pulls off really easy. A lot of the staples that you get on stuff from Dollar Tree, it's like really bad, really hard to get out of there. Alright, so I have these off, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this burlap that I have. That's just going to set aside for a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I am going to cover these with my burlap. So I'm going to get these cut out to size, and then I believe I'm going to Mod Podge them onto there. Okay, so I have my burlap cut out. Then I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and put it on my squares here. And then I did make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to have to cut it down. But I'm going to start Mod Podging, in which, I think I need new Mod Podge because this stuff just doesn't seem to be working. It seems really liquidy. Might have to look into getting some new stuff. So I'm going to try to Mod Podge this down on here. I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to, I don't remember it being that liquidy, but who knows. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge, or at least try to Mod Podge this down on all three of these. Okay, so what I've been doing is, now that these are dry, I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and my cutting board, and I am cutting the edges off of the burlap here. Like so. Seems to be sticking. Alright, and then, oh, that's still attached. And then what I was doing was I was just taking my lighter and getting all the fringe off. I thought it would be kind of cool if I kind of burnt the edges, but I only got a couple that actually burnt on here, so yeah, that's just pretty much what it looks like. So then I cut that off, and then I just take my lighter and trim these little edges down here so there's no fuzzies sticking off. Or there is some, but just so it looks a little bit better. Alright, and then I'm going to get this put back together. Okay, so now I have my little signs here, and since I have this whatever you call it, where the pick was in there, I'm going to need to bump these off my sign a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these adhesive double-sided sticky thingies that I got from Dollar Tree and stick these on here, so that I'm going to be able to stick them on my sign. You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, I should probably put 2 on there. Should probably go 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Just like this. And then I am going to get my hot glue gun warmed up, and I'm going to put this little guy together. I'm actually quite excited about it. I think it's going to look really cute. I just love these vintage signs. I'm really, like I said, hoping they have these again at Walmart this year. Okay, I am going to start putting this together. So I'm going to try to make sure I have this centered, because Dollar Tree didn't have it very centered, but we'll see how I do. So I am going to just take a strip of hot glue and put that down and stick that right to there. All right, and then I'm going to push that bead up and put the next one on. And like I said, hopefully get it straight. That one's a little bit off. I'm gonna get some hot glue over here. All right, and the next one. Try to go down the middle. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Okay, now that that's dry, I am going to flip it over, and I am going to put my signs on there. All right, I think I'm gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna take the little sticky tabs off here. Now I'm really hoping that when I go to put this on here, it gets centered, because I am not good at centering things, but I'm gonna do my best. So a little bit of hot glue on there, and then on my sign. And then I'm going to do this one. All right, and then one more. Get this one on there. Kind of looking at it and debating. It's like, is there something else that this needs, or should it just be just like this? I feel like I should put something on here, but I wouldn't even know what to put on here yet. I don't know. I think it looks kind of cute just the way it is. All right, that is it. It is all finished. You'll have to let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty cute. All right, it is all finished. So if you stuck around to the end, I really appreciate it. I would love if you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, like this video, share this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. I love getting my crafts out to people. So thanks for watching and have a great night. Take care. Bye.